Hello everyone, this is SS Marine. This is our showroom. We are located here in Sharjah Industrial Area 18. We are specified in water sports equipments like, boats, inflatable boats, kayaks, as you can see, stand-up paddles, apparel like t-shirts, shoes, bags. This is our products and our showroom. This is the main brand that we are dealing with for inflatable boat, which is Gala. It's a Canadian brand. It's very reputable. Aqua Marina is the main product or the main brand, for the kayaks and stand-up paddle that we are dealing with. There are too many different models of stand-up paddles. As you can see, breeze, race, wave, too many items. This is Velocity. We have also an icebox cooling that can be used for fishing trips. It's very practical and very demanded. These are some stand-up paddles, some kayaks, different model with different sizes, with 1 passenger, 2 passenger, 3 passenger, depends on your requirements. We have some inflatable items also, like the lounges, air platform that can be used if you have a yacht or something, that can be used also for relaxing, making some suntan. Okay, so we hope that you can join us and come to our showroom and enjoy the product. Thank you.